Hey guys, we're doing late night breaks. Break 95, team draw, 7 o'clock 29 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Got participants. Dice roll, we're going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yoink. Don't need that one anymore. Teams. Gone 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Copy that there. Yep. Random is complete. It's time to read the teams. Albie Chin with the Magic, Mark Guilford, Wizards, David Holmes, Bulls, Sean Hutchinson, Celtics, Keenan Buchanan, Blazers, Albie Chin, Nets, James Brooks, Pistons, Kerry Scott, Clippers, Eric Lee, Grizz, Kerry Scott, Rockets, Murray Russell, Pacers, Matthew Phillips, Raptors, Nathan Lennon, Pelicans, David Holmes, Spurs and Knicks, Craig Jewix, Lakers, Phil Welch, Warriors, Millie Simic, Nuggets, Benjamin Wayne, Bucks, Chris Haylock, Kings, Paul Price, Heat, Jason Carter, Hornets, Jerome with Cavs, Troy Opie with Thunder, Timothy Price, Hawks, Liam Cox, Suns, Jason Carter, Jazz, Mick Taylor, T-Wolves, Tim Leake, Mavericks, and Adam Javasi with the Sixers. So let's just copy that. Yoink. And put it right there. There's the time, 7:02:58.